Hello, you're welcome to Affix and In. My name is Daniel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Roblox on your PC. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So looking right here on the screen is my web browser. You can actually go to your Chrome or your Firefox web browser like this and search for download Roblox. Or you can either search for roblox.com/download. So once you do that, you're going to see this first option right here. You simply need to go ahead and click on the first option, and this is what you're going to see. So looking right here, you can see the option where it says download Windows app. Now below it, you can see other ways you can actually download the app as well. But since we are talking about downloading it on our PC, the next step you need to take is to click on download window apps. So once you click on download window apps like this, automatically the app is going to start downloading. Looking right here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see that right there. You can see that the app is now downloaded to our device. So you can either click on it, or you can go to your file manager on your PC like this. So let's say you go to your file manager on your PC like this and click on downloads. You'll be able to see the Roblox player installer right here. So you simply need to go ahead and tap on it in order for it to be installed on your PC. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it like this. So once you do that, you just need to wait patiently and it is going to be installed on your PC. So looking right here, it says here starting Roblox. After the completion of the installation of the app on your device, looking right here at the bottom of your screen like this, you'd be able to see the app right there. You can go to your home page and you'll be able to see the app on your home page of your PC. So right here, you can see where it says create an account or sign in. So you can either click on sign in and sign in into your account, or create an account on Roblox. So looking right here, you now have your Roblox on your PC. So there are actually another way you can actually get the Roblox app on your PC as well, apart from this method shown here. So the next step you can actually take in order to get the app, let's say this method did not work out for you, you can simply go to your Microsoft app on your device like this. Go ahead and go to your Microsoft app. So in your Microsoft app like this, you simply need to go ahead and click on the search button and search for Roblox. Looking right here at the left corner of the screen, you can see the Roblox app right there. So you simply need to go ahead and click on get, and it is actually going to start installing on your device. Now once the installation is done, you'd be able to have it as well on your PC. So these are the two ways you can actually get and install the Roblox app on your PC. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips like this. See you in the next one.